Okay, so this is what I guess the lowest bid gets you, and of course the Goodman. Check this shit out. This is the one we're gonna change the coil. Look at all the oil. As you can see with the forklift, when they were I guess putting it up on the truck or something. See how they hit it there? Check that out. The almighty Goodman. At least it's leak free. Damn. So we're gonna have to actually remove this because we need to remove this top. Fuck. You know what sucks? Hold on, let me see. Where's the rope at? Here it is. We are in a 2-story building. Alright guys, check it out. Look at all that oil. God damn. So we took the top off with the wires, custom wire with custom wire harness they put. But man, check this shit out. I'm not gonna believe this shit. So I guess they put some long screws or something. But check this shit out. Wow. So they made a leak on the fucking evap coil too. That's fucking crazy, man. Fuck. So they put some type of glue, adhesive or something. I don't know, but that thing is hard. But we have another leak here. Fuck. The almighty Goodman. So there's the old coil. But check it out. You see how dented in it is? So here we have both the condenser and the coil. You can actually see the hole that punctured. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Right there. Big ass freaking hole. So here's the Goodman naked. You see some of the oil right there? Look what they did with the PVC. They just stick the end there and they glued it. Nice. Okay, so here I have the new condenser coil braced in. It's looking pretty good. Except, well, I try to hammer that thing out, but it's pretty hard. But there you go. So now we're just gonna have to wait on our evap coil. I think they have it in stock too. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and close it up. The coil's not available till tomorrow. So we kept them off from here and there. But check this out. So they ran out of this liquid tie. So this is their coupler. It's electrical tape. Little Daikin. It's pretty quiet. So we're here checking a mana. Did they barely install these? 13. So apparently one of them has a leak. Of course, huh?
Well, that's kind of low.
How much? 35. I think they're gonna have a TXP, so alright, hold on. Let me try to go up there too. See if we don't break this thing. Here we have an Amana 90%er.
Oh, yeah, it's full of water.
It's full of water? Yeah, it's freezing up. Oh, what the hell? It's freezing up, huh? Yeah, most likely it's gonna be on the coil. Turn off the. Let me turn it off. Okay, so apparently he found the leak. Let me see where. Oh, let me put some light. Hurry, hold on. Let's see. Hey, hold the ladder.
I got it right here, ready.
Oh. Oh crap! Look at that. It's like a shower of oil, huh?
Yeah.
Oh damn. So you bring the bubbles, Joe. Let me see if it's gonna be this flare right here.
The little bottle.
The blue,
Yeah.
And bring a rag. Oh no, there's a rag right here.
yeah, but that bottle was the spray. It's not broken with. So,
Damn,
Talo sí tomó, no matter what.
look at that. It's all soaked in oil.
no, pero el galón está ahí, güey.
The W40, remember we bought one with W40?
Look at the TXV. It's not even covered.
Yeah, that one in the
Look
blue
at-
bag.
This is sensible. What's it here? Aluminum coil. Look at that. She's a leaker.
You go like that?
She's a leaker, mama. No, hold on. I gotta put some more bubbles. Freaking Joe brought me the whole bottle. Oh yeah, yeah, it's the equalizer. It's bubbling up. See that? Yup.
The EQ.
Shit. Come on.
Wait, you think we should cut it or what?
Oh yeah, you see those bubbles? Yep. Okay. Man, good thing it was in the coil. It would have been easy to change. You got the straps in here and everything. So here we have our new coil. Both of them. We're gonna fuck those again on some copper. It's alright. The top one was good. Just the bottom one. Need a little piece. Yeah. So pressure test it to 151 and we're holding for 22 minutes. Didn't even go down at all. So here we have it on bridge 10. There you go. There you go, running smooth. On your parts. We came back to run the gas on this one. It's nice and pretty now. She didn't want to do the PVC, so that's fine with us. We just covered up right there with some sealer. So I went from there all the way over there. But now it's coming out there. On to the next one.